Hey guys, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of a new M4 Pro Mac Mini. So as you can see, the box itself is pretty small. Yeah, this is me. I pulled the stickers off the back of the box real quick, or off the bottom of the box rather. I'm going to open it up. You see it comes with a Mac Mini inside, and it's smaller than the old form factor for the Mac Mini, but it's actually slightly taller, but it'll generally fit in a smaller space. And that's it. It basically fits in the palm of your hand. So it comes with the Mac Mini and with a power cable, and that's basically it. Not a whole lot else. Has some paper to pull off of it, and it has a few tiny little papers at the bottom of the box. But other than that, not a whole lot else. You can see some ports on here. You got the button on the bottom. People complain about it, but no one actually really cares. People just want to point out something that they think is silly. Now we're going to come back to the Mac Mini itself, but I'm just going to show you what else comes in the box, which is almost nothing. Comes with this nice power cable, which is nice. It's braided, so it has that braided coating on the outside of the power cable. Makes it feel really nice. I think that's a major positive thing. I mean, not really what you're going to buy the Mac Mini for, but it's something nice. It's a nice touch, I guess. Yeah, so there I am spending too much time looking at the power cable, and we're gonna move that to the side real quick, and just to show you, there's some papers in the bottom here, and all they do is yeah, I'm basically showing you that there's nothing else left in the box, and we're going to take a quick look at these. They basically just tell you how to turn it on and stuff, and that you have to plug it in. Not a whole lot else. They don't, nothing important there, not like a comprehensive manual or anything. That's basically all you get in the box. The cable, the Mac Mini, that stuff. You see, you got some USB-C ports in the front there, some lights. On the bottom here, there's that button again, and you got your power plugs in right there. Ethernet, and I got the 10 gig Ethernet. It gets HDMI and some Thunderbolt ports. No USB-A ports, and would be nice if we had those, and if we had more Thunderbolt ports, but that's it. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, and that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.